Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninja. So in this video we will discuss about basic HTML tags. So first is heading tag. HTML heading tag is used to describe the heading of the page. HTML headings are used for main heading and subheading. Similarly, for title and subtitles, there are 6 levels of headings, H1 to H6. H1 having the largest font size and H6 having the smallest font size. H1 to H6 shows different sizes in the browser and used according to the requirement. Take one example. Open the Sublime text editor. Start code with the HTML tag and then add head section. Here we add title. Title is heading. You can add anyone. Title tag, then close head tag, then open body tag here. In between that we can add heading tags. First is H1. Open the H1 tag, write some content here like heading 1 and close the H1 tag here. Then open H2 tag, then write some content heading 2 and close the H2 tag. Similarly, for H3, H4 and H5 and H6. Okay, open the H3 tag, write some content here, close the H3 thread, then open H4 tag, write some content heading 4 and close the H4 tag. Similarly, H5, open the H5 tag and write some content heading 5 and close the H5 tag. Open the H6 tag, write some content here, then close the H6 tag, then close body tag. All the heading tags are covered in the body section. Then last we close the HTML tag. Save this file with extension .html and this file would be open in the browser. Heading.html. Open on the browser. See, all the 6 levels of heading have different sizes. And come on the next topic. Next tag is HR tag. HR stands for horizontal rule. HR tag used to create a horizontal line across the page. With the help of HR tag, you can separate the content. For example, if you want to change any topic or divide it into different sections, so we use HR tag. This tag need not be closed. Hence, this type is known as empty tag. Syntax is if you use open HR or as well as close HR. Next is BR tag. BR stands for break tag. BR tag used for line break between different elements to start new element from next line. We can say BR tag shifts the cursor to the next line. Each BR tag you add in the HTML document creates a new break line. This tag has no content, so it is self-closing tag. Syntax is open BR tag or closing BR tag. You can use any one of this. And see the result on the browser. Here, after the heading 1 tag, we use BR tag. Save this file and see the result on the browser. Refresh the window. Here, see, after the H1 heading, cursor comes on the next line. Next come on the next tag. That is B tag and strong tag. B stands for bold. B tag used to bold the text. Similarly, we can use strong tag to bold the text in the HTML document. Syntax is B, open the B tag, then some content, then close the B tag. Or we can use also strong tag, then some content, then close strong tag. And next is mark tag. Mark tag is used to highlight the text within the HTML document. Browser show the text within the mark tag as black with a yellow background by default. Note this tag is introduced with HTML5 version. Syntax is open the mark tag, then some content, then close the mark tag. And next is I tag. I stands for italic. I tag is used to show the text in italic style. Similarly, we can use EM tag. EM tag stands for emphasize. EM is used to emphasize the text in the HTML document. Inside the EM tag shows content in italic style. Syntax is open the I tag, then some content, close the I tag. Or we can use EM tag. Open the EM tag, then some content, and then close the EM tag. And next is underline tag, U tag. U stands for underline. U tag is used for underlining the selected text. Syntax is open the U tag, then some content, then close the U tag. Give an example. Open the Sublime text editor here and use this tags in between that. We can use B tag and add vault content. Close the B tag. Similarly, we use strong tag. In between that, we use any text here, strong tag. And close the strong tag. Then next tag is italic. This is open the I tag and give some content here, then close the I tag. Next is EM tag. EM used for emphasize. Write some content here. Close the EM tag. Then use U tag. U tag is used for underline. Give some content here. Underline the content and close the U tag. All the tags are covered in this example. So see the result on the browser. Refresh the window. See, bold content and strong tag are same, looks like same, and italic and emphasize are same, and underline the content here. Thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share and comment. Thank you.